Small cases are passive investments. The stocks and weights change only during rebalancing. Most small cases are rebalanced every quarter. During a rebalancing, stocks may be added or removed, and the weighting of stocks may change. This is done to ensure that the constituents of the small case stay true to the underlying theme. To keep you informed, you will receive an email notification on the day of rebalance. Rebalancing your small case is easy and can be done in just a few clicks. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, under Pending Actions, you will find Rebalance Updates. Click on the small case to view the update. You will be able to review the stocks being bought and sold. Although not recommended, you can customize it or go ahead and click on Confirm Changes. Click on Apply Update and confirm the order. Your order for all the stocks in the small case will be placed in one go. It takes only a few seconds to fill your order. Congratulations! Your small case has been rebalanced and can be tracked under Investments. Rebalancing your small case is a good practice, and we recommend you apply the updates to ensure that the constituents reflect the underlying theme.